Now we are going to learn EVS topic day and night. Day means what? दिन. Night means रात. डे में हम क्या क्या देखने के लिए मिलता है? What we can see in the sky? We can see sun. Is it right? Can we see moon? No. Can we see stars? No. We can see sun. And then cloud. And then, yes, birds. Yes. And then all the pictures, all the trees, mountain, everything we can clear in the day. Why? Because in the day, sun shines brightly. Sun shines brightly. We can see all the things very clear. Did you got it, babies? And in the night, we can see sun in the sky. No, we can see moon and what we can see other. Yes, we can see stars also. In the night, we can see moon and stars. And all the remaining trees, building, a mountain, everything is clear. We can see it in the night. No, as like day. No, we can that all the things are blur in the night. Is it right, babies? Yes. Now, what are the things we can see in the day, babies? Sun, cloud, bird, trees, mountain, everything that one clear with the brightness of sun. Sun shines brightly in the day, and then night moon gives us light. Moon gives us light. In the day sun gives us light, and night moon gives us light. Now in the day, what are you doing? In the day, is the darkness? Is there? No dark, only shining of sun. We can get up early in the morning and then we can see sun rise in the morning. Is it right? Yes, and then we get up early and then we go to school. We are doing homework, we are studies at school, and we are playing in the evening, and after the sunset will go, sun will set, and then after sunset the day will be there. No night, darkness everywhere. You can see darkness, and then we can see moon and stars in the sky. Night we are having dinner, and then we go to sleep. Is it right, baby? After sunset. Is it right? We are doing dinner. We are having dinner, and we are going to sleep in the night. There's a night, darkness is there. Okay, babies. Now everyone open that page of 65 of general awareness skill sheet. Come on. See day and night. In the day we can see sun, cloud, birds, trees, mountain and grass. All the things we can see clear with the help of sun's shine. Sun shines brightly. That's why we can see all the things. And in the night time, anywhere we can see darkness, and we can see only moon and stars in the sky. Is it right, babies? And remaining things we can see blurred. Is it right? Now everyone open the next page of 66. Match each picture with the related time of the day. Match each picture with the related time of the day. First one, go to sleep. And second one, bathing. Third one, come back from school. School से वापस घर आ रहे हैं. And then evening time playing with friend. Go to sleep, bathing, come back from school, playing with friend. And here, see, sun rises in the morning. And noon, sun is a middle in the sky. Here sun in the east started. Started to rise in the east. And the noon, at noon, sun in the middle of the sky. And then evening, sunset in the west. Sunset sets in the west. And night, we can't see sun in the sky. We can see moon and stars. Okay, now go to sleep. We are going to sleep morning, noon, evening or night? Yes, night. Very good. Everyone match the go to sleep picture to the night. And the second one, bathing. We are having bath in the mornings, noon, evening. Yes, in the morning. Very good. Come back from school. Yes, we come back from the school in the noon. In the noon, we are come back from the school. And playing with friend? Yes, in the evening. Evening time, we are playing with the friend. Is it right, babies? Yes. Now, see. Identify and face the stickers of the object of the sky. Everyone open the page number 67. What is this clouds? What is this sun? And here moon and stars. We can take the stickers from the sticker page and stick it here. I've taken stickers from the sticker page. Everyone see star. Where is the star? Yes, star is in the night. Everyone stick the stars in the night scene. Okay, babies? Yes, now here. And then next star. Yes, stick it here. Slowly remove the stickers from the sticker page and stick it. Okay, babies? Yes, and then big star is here. And then another one star here. And then star here. All the stars are in the night. And now sun. Where is the sun, babies? In the night or day? Yes, sun is in the day. Everyone stick the sun in the day, because sun in the day, we can see sun in the day. We can see star in the night. Okay, babies? And then cloud. Where is day or night? We can see cloud in the night? No, we can see cloud in the day. Everyone stick the cloud in the day. And another one cloud I have. Where can I stick? I stick in the day. And next another one cloud in the day. And now here stick the another one cloud. And then small clouds we can see only in the day. And now only one picture is remaining. Who is she? Who is this? Moon. In the day or night? We can see moon. We can see moon in the night. Everyone stick the moon in the night. Did you understood, children? Clouds, sun, we can see in the night, in the day in the sky. And in the sky, we can see stars and moon in the night. Now, everyone open the next page. We can tick the correct answer. We can see the moon in daytime or night. We can see the moon. Yes, we can see the moon in Night time. Here given sun. This is wrong. Sun is here and moon is here. Picture. Okay, babies? We can see the moon in night time. And sun shines in the daytime or night time? Daytime. Tick the daytime. And you go to school in daytime or night time? आप स्कूल जाते हो डे में कि नाइट में? Yes, you go to school in daytime. You eat your lunch in night or day. Lunch you are having in day. Very good. An owl is a day bird or night bird? Owl is a night bird because owl can see properly in the night only. Owl अच्छी तरह से आंख से देखते नाइट में. डे टाइम he can't see. Owl can't see properly. Did you got it? He in the daytime it sleeps always, and night time we can see owl in the night, and owl is a night bird. Did you got it, everyone? Yes. Now everyone complete these pages. Did you got it? Okay, bye. Love you.